Hello guys, we learned in previous video how to create the next page and how to remove debug banner, and let's see in this video how to connect this page. See here, from scaffold onwards, just remove scaffold onwards, take here wherever scaffold ends, here scaffold ends, just cut it and come here next page, second dot here, remove this container and paste it here, that scaffold, and this here, not here comma, and put semicolon here, and that's it. And here whatever here given class, that class should be given in the first page. That's it. Here we are given the second as the class, so we want to give here second. Just give second, first letter should be capital, and this is the function, and put the semicolon. That's it. Now we want to import this second page from here first page. It's automatically imported. You want to import, just see here, just type import dot slash, here seeing whatever pages in your projects here shown, you can select from here second dot. That's it. Sorry guys, here not semicolon, just give comma. Here now seen how to connect the second page. That's it. Here go to and refresh your app. See the output. No changes in the output. Same as the output. That's it. First page is, whenever you are opening your app, it comes to main dot in your app and comes here void main, that will run the first class. In the first class it will run the second class. It comes to the second page, like that it will run. And let's see now how to insert the image in your app. Just go here and remove this center and remove the container, remove the center also. You already know how to create a container. And now come here and click on here and right click on new folder, or else go here, create a new folder and images, or else assets, you can whatever else you want, just give name. I given the images, and now we want to take the images. I taken the two images, just drag it image, just click on it and drag it to the VS folder like this. Just go here, this image, just drag to the images folder. Here came to the image, and I am also adding another image. Just do it in your lab, copy to the images folder, and now we want to declare the pubsql.yml. I am telling in first, whatever you want to use in your app, you first declare the pubsql.yml. Here assets, images, here you want to declare the whatever another, like images and styles, like that. we want to declare first here. Now see how to declare it. Just select here assets and uncomment this. It is in the comment, and please uncomment. Control backward slash. It will uncomment, and now we want to rename this. Just clear this. Here we having images folder in your app. From that images folder we are taking the download image, download dot jpg. Here having images have three types of images, and jpg and png and jpeg. Mostly popular these three images we are using, that we need to definitely give the dot jpg or png like that. Here we having another images also. Just rename it. From that images folder we are taking the this image like that. Here jpg. Here taken after this rename this. Here see get packages will be there. Just click on it. It will getting the packages from the images folder. After this complete, it will come to the 0. After completing the get packages, we come to the coding section. That's it. We are taking now your images through your folder, project folder, and now come to the section. Now in the body section we are giving the images. Just come here and let's code here. Your image should be placed in your app, and here image dot, we are taking the image dot asset. Image dot asset. Here let's see here. Type here image dot asset. That asset in the images folder. Images slash, from the images folder we are taking the download image, download dot jpg. That's it. We completed. See here images will came. Just give hard to load. It will come image here. Let's see how it is simple. Now let's see here. I am giving the another image. It's not possible to one by one giving image, so that we are taking the one column here. Column. In column we are giving the different types of widgets, more widgets, so that we are giving the children. It is like inheritance. So we want to give dot, like dot language is inheritance. So we want to give the children. Just cut it and paste it in the children. I am giving the second image and give image dot asset, and give images folder. From that images folder we are taking the asm dot jpg. These images we are taking. See here images will came. That's it. We are created now images in your app, and see how to format your code. Just right click and click here format document, or else shift alt plus F it will take format coding. It will nice looking good nice. It will easily understood. Here no problems will be there. Sometimes we are giving the asset image, asset asset image, just give here asset image, here giving the asset name. It is also one of the widget, and here network images also will be having. Just give here image dot network, here src. We want to give the link for that image. Here from that image it will load here in your app. Here you want to give the URL. That's it. It will load the image from network. Whenever you are taking the network image, you definitely want to the mobile net or else Wi-Fi. That's it. In this video we learnt in images how to put and how to manage the images. If you have any queries, feel be free in comment section. Comment. Thank you for watching this video.